What is up, everybody? Welcome to this video. We're going to be doing a little simple furniture remodeling in our living room. Here we are, and specifically we're getting rid of that old coffee table. I hate it, and I ended up buying this one. It just arrived today. And coffee tables and really any furniture can be insanely expensive, but we got a steal on this one, and we're going to put it together and see what we think about this. We'll also get the family down here to review it as well to see, hey, is this something we want to keep or not? You should know that I did buy this coffee table at Lowe's. This video was sponsored by Lowe's. They sent me this coffee table in exchange for an assembly video and review, and that's what I'm gonna do. And of course, I'm gonna do it honestly, and if we don't like it, we're sending it back. So with all that said, let's begin. Let's roll. Here it is. This is the ugly three-legged coffee table that is just collecting puzzle pieces, apparently. We're going to get rid of it, and we got this one instead. This comes in a box that arrived magically at my doorstep, and voila, we're going to put it together. Here it is. No damage, everything, all parts are included, and we're ready for assembly. We're going to take part number 1, which is basically the top turned upside down, and then take part 3. There's lots of these little legs here. And we'll put them basically like that, and then attach them with 2 A-bolts, one here and one here. Next, we're gonna take part number 2, which is the bottom surface, and with the sticker up, we're just gonna gently place it here for a moment. And then we'll take this ring right here, the only metal ring, and we're gonna make sure that these guys are kind of toward the top of the ring as opposed to the bottom. In other words, not like this, but like this. And we're gonna use bolt B, which is the medium size bolt. And we're gonna push it through here like this. And then they attach to the ends of these. So can you see, like, so we're gonna do that. There's 6 of these bolts, and we'll get them all tightened to the ends of the legs. Next, we're gonna take these little screws. These are screw C, and you can see on part 2, there's a couple of set screw pre-drilled places. And so we're gonna pick this up like this, and we are going to put a screw through here, and it's gonna go into that hole. To end, we will take this little sticky pad. There's several of them. If it's going on carpet, probably not essential, but we'll just put them on and line them all the way around the bottom. Let's get this thing turned right side up and see what we think. Yeah, that looks pretty nice. Let's get the family down here and see what they think. All right, we've got some opinions up there. What do we think? You like it?
Yeah.
On a scale of 1 to 10, 10 is the best.
2,000.
Whoa! Seriously?
Yeah.
I did not tell them to say that. Did I tell you guys to say that?
No.
What? You really believe it? You really like it?
Yes.
All right, let's get the boss out here. What do you think?
Oh, I like that.
Yeah?
Yes.
I think it definitely looks nice.
Yeah.
I mean, it's definitely hollow, but for the price point, less than $100.
It was 80.
Like, I think that looks really nice.
There's a little sticker.
So do we like it? I mean, are we keeping it?
Yes. The new couch.
All right. If you like this coffee table, you can check the link in the description and pick one up for yourself. So with furniture costs being what they are, specifically coffee tables being out of this world expensive, this one is a no-brainer. It looks really classy and it's sub $100, making this a really great value and an instant way to upgrade your space. Hopefully this video has helped you out. Good luck with your purchasing decision.